Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some fantastic home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Fantastic home decor, also known as Shabby Chic or Country Chic, is a popular interior design style that blends vintage elements with soft, romantic, and feminine touches. It often features a combination of old and new, giving spaces a cozy, nostalgic, and lived-in charm. This style is perfect for those who love history, craftsmanship, and creating a warm, character-filled space. Here is a deeper dive into fantastic home decor, covering its origins, philosophy, essential elements, and tips for styling your space. Fantastic emerged in the late 20th century, blending traditional vintage aesthetics with a lighter, romantic, and more refined style. It is rooted in European country homes, especially English cottages and French countryside houses, and evolved into what we now recognize as shabby chic. And in short, this decor style is about celebrating imperfection, honoring the past, and creating a soft, lived-in, and meaningful space. It is also inherently eco-friendly, as it often relies on repurposing and recycling old furniture and decor. Essential elements of vintage decor furniture. Vintage furniture is often second-hand or antique, with visible sign of wear, like chipped paint or worn edged. Look for pieces with curved lines, like Queen Anne or Victorian-inspired dressers, side tables, or bed frames. Use chalk paint or milk paint to give furniture that soft, matte charmer look. Color palette. Stick to soft muted colors. Think blush pink, chess green, dusty blue, lavender, and lots of white or cream. Sometimes touches of gold, bronze, or crystal are added for a subtle hint of glamour. Texture and fabrics. Mix lightweight, airy fabrics like cotton, linen, with more romantic ones like lace, crochet, or tile. Common patterns include faded florals, toile, stripes or checks in pale colors. Accessories and decor, mirrors with ornate or distressed frames, vintage candelabras or crystal light fixtures. Use old books, porcelain teacups, enamelware, and galvanized items. Framed black and white photos or botanical prints. Floors and walls, wooden floors, often painted white or natural and aged. Exposed brick, baseboard, or fox pasteled walls give a rustic vintage appeal. Use soft wallpaper with floral or damask prints can also work beautifully. Styling tips for vintage interiors. Mix shades. Combine Victorian chairs with 1950s kitchenware or richer blocks. The key is balance. tuned over to one decade. Layer softly, use straws, curtains, rugs, and cushions to add warmth and texture without cluttering the space. Impress patina. Don't fix all the scratches or rust. A little ease gives character. Keep it cheery. Unlike traditional vintage decor, which can feel heavy, vintage should feel light and feminine. Crowd sheer clutter. Decor should feel connected, not chaotic. Showcase only your favorite vintage pieces. Incorporate flowers. Fresh or dried flowers in vintage pictures, teacups, or old jars. Complete the romantic feel. Where to find vintage decor? Flower markets, thrift stores, estate sales, online marketplaces like Stay, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, DIY projects, repurposing or upcycling furniture and decor. Who it's for? Vintage tech is perfect for lovers of soft, romantic spaces, people who enjoy crafting or time projects, homeowners who want eco-conscious decor, anyone drawn to old world charm with a lighter, more feminine touch. Let's go even deeper into vintage tech home decor by exploring its emotional appeal, the difference from similar styles, how to implement it in different rooms, and practical tips to create the look effortlessly. The emotions and aesthetic appeal. Vintage tech is not just about design, it is about storytelling. Each piece in a vintage tech home tells a story, whether it is a piano chair, a cheap teacup from a flower market, or a floral painting that looks like it came from your grandmother's attic. This style brings comfort, nostalgia, and romance into your space. It invites you to slow down and enjoy the charm of the past while still keeping things fresh and functional. Room by room styling guide. First, living room. Use sleep covered sofas in white or linen. Also use windows covered tables with turned legs. Use soft lightings, table lamps with lace shades or crystal candelabras, floral throw pillows and vintage framed prints. Bedroom. Iron or distressed oak bed frames. Lace or ruffled bedding in pastels. A vanity or dressing table with antique mirror. Use soft rugs, shrugs, or faded oriental style rugs. Kitchen. Open shelving with vintage dishes. Use messengers, animal pictures, or floral tea towels. Painted oak cabinets in shoes cream, robin's egg blue, or white. A repurposed farmhouse table as the dining area centerpiece. Bathrooms. Use clawfoot tub or vintage style silk. Glass jars for storage, cotton, soaps, salts. Romantic wallpaper or beadwood paneling. Use soft white towels, vintage perfume bottles, floral shell curtains. Entryway. A distressed hall table with a mirror. Use floral arrangements in vintage jugs or pictures. Hooks made from antique hardware. tips to get the look. Start small. On Vintage chair, a floral pillow, or a painted mirror can set the tone. Use chalk paint. It is beginner friendly and perfect for giving new life to shifted furniture. Chipped intentionally. Look for pieces with charm, small cracks, faded colors, and handcrafted details. Mix textures. Combine wood, fabric, glass, and metal while layered authentic feel. Avoid clutter. Too many vintage pieces can feel busy. Create your collection and rotate items seasonally. Vintage chic on a budget. DIY. Make your own decor, like floral wall hangings or decor trays. Cheap smart. Local bracket sales, estate auctions, and online second-hand sites are gold mines. Repurpose creatively. Turn old jewels into headboards, create into shelves, or teacups into candles. Its fabrics, curtains, slip covers, and tablecloths are an inevitable way to instantly soften a space. Historical and cultural influence. Vintage chic is influenced by several time periods and cultures. Victorian era geometric florals, lace, and element mirrors come from this period. 1940s to 1950s post-war homes, pastel kittens, floral aprons, enamel art, and soft color stem from this optimistic and feminine time. Prince Provençal style, curvy furniture, distressed oak tile patterns, and ornate frames are inspired by rustic French countryside homes. English cottage style, cozy charm, floral fabrics, and a mixed patterns layered over time reflect the collected nature of country living. This style blends elegance with everyday charm, while a weathered armory can sit next to a tufted linen sofa and a vintage clock. Seasonal variations in vintage chic decor on reasons people love this style is how easily it adapts to seasons. Spring or summer, use fresh florals like roses, lavender, or peonies. Light cotton curtains, floral quilts, and mint greens, soft pinks, and pale blues. Fall. Incorporate rustic pumpkins, faded play throws, and warmth antique golds, mustard, and canberry tones. Use vintage brass candlesticks or amber glass bottles. Winter and soft fox fur, wool blankets, and velvet cushions. Use minted grays, whites, and dusty reds. Decorate with vintage ornaments, garlands, and snowflake prints. Common vintage chic materials: wood, preferably reclaimed or distressed; linen for curtains, tablecloths, and bedding; cotton and lace for throw pillows, towels, and upholstery. Porcelain, teacups, knobs, veganese, glass, vintage bottles, glasses, mirrors, old iron, bed frames, candle holders. Iconic patterns and motifs, floral prints, roses, daisies, and wildflowers are essential. Told the joy, classic prints, sustained print, stripes and gingham, especially in soft colors. Damask, a more elegant vintage wall or fabric pattern. Birds, butterflies, and keys. Romantic imagery often found in wall art and decor. Tips for personalizing your vintage decor style. Create a memory wall with family heirlooms, vintage photos, and handwritten notes. Display your collections like antique dishes, vintage books, old perfume bottles. Mix new with old. Pair IKEA shelves with a vintage mirror or modern couch with a crescent throne. Add handmade touches, DIY lavender sketches, homemade candles in teacups, or custom chalk painted presents. Choose signature scents, rose, vanilla, lavender, or vintage inspired candles to give a multi-sensory experience. I think these ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.